This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Brittany Knight. Welcome home to this 4-bedroom 2-bath home in the community of Summerview. As you walk in, you will notice the open floor plan, featuring tile throughout for easy maintenance, updated kitchen with an oversized island, stainless steel appliances and 42 inches cabinets. Just off the kitchen, you will find the spacious dining area and large living room. The living room has a sliding glass door that leads you to the covered back porch, perfect for entertaining. This home has a 2-car garage, indoor laundry room, 2 walk-in showers and a huge walk-in pantry. This home is equipped with an alarm system, front and back Ring doorbell cameras and outside motion lights. The master bedroom features marble countertops, an oversized walk-in closet, an ensuite featuring dual sinks and large walk-in shower. Find even more relaxation by the community pool and the newly built community park. The park features a playground, soccer, exercise equipment, and volleyball area. Downtown Mount Dora, known for its 30-plus festivals annually, charming restaurants, entertainment, and lakefront fun, is just 8 minutes away. Plus you have easy access to 429, making a fast commute to Orlando. For more information, review the details below or contact Brittany Knight at 352-455-7711.